In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear autofill in Microsoft Edge. Autofill is the feature that remembers details like your name, address, and card info so forms fill in quickly. Over time, those entries can become outdated, or you might want a clean slate for privacy, especially if you share your computer. I'll guide you through a safe, precise way to clear that saved form data. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the main menu, sometimes labeled Settings and More. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the Settings page in a new tab, where all your browser preferences and privacy controls live. On the left side of the Settings page, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains tools for managing tracking, security, and the data your browser stores on your device. Scroll to the area labeled Delete Browsing Data. Here, find the line that says Clear Browsing Data Now, and click the button that says Choose What to Clear. This opens a panel with options for exactly what you want to remove. At the top of that panel, set the time range to All Time. Choosing All Time ensures you remove all stored autofill entries, not just recent ones. If you only needed to remove recent data, there are shorter ranges available, but for a complete reset, All Time is the most reliable choice. Next, find the option labeled Autofill Form Data, includes forms and cards, and check that box. This targets the information Edge uses to auto-populate forms. It covers saved addresses and card details used for autofill. It does not remove saved passwords unless you explicitly select the Separate Passwords option, so you can keep your logins intact while clearing form entries. If you only want to clear autofill, you can leave other boxes unchecked to avoid removing your browsing history, cookies, or cached files. When you're ready, click Clear Now. The process may take a moment depending on how much data is stored. You won't usually see a big confirmation message. The panel will simply finish and close, indicating the data has been cleared. That's it. Your saved form entries and card autofill data are now removed. The next time you visit a site with a form, you'll notice fields don't pre-fill with old information, giving you a fresh start and better control over your privacy. If needed, you can return to these settings anytime to repeat the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your browsing tidy and secure.